Dear students, in this video I am discussing how to score minimum 70 marks in second year chemistry lessons for your upcoming NEET exam. So here in second year chemistry syllabus we have 16 lessons. In these 16 lessons I selected 10 lessons as a do or die lessons. In these lessons the first lesson is electrochemistry. In electrochemistry, from last 10 years I observed minimum 2 questions are asking. Minimum 2 questions. So here in electrochemistry, what are the most important topics means? So first of all, conductance and their types of conductance. Second topic is Faraday's laws. Faraday's first law, Faraday's second law and applications. Third topic is mainly they are asking on Nernst equation. In Nernst equation. Next, fourth one is based on electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. And fifth one is batteries and their applications. Like that you prepare. Okay. So electrochemistry. Next lesson is chemical kinetics. In this chemical kinetics also 2 questions minimum they are asking. So in these chemical kinetics, what are the important topics means maximum order and its applications, order of the reaction, types of order of reactions, examples, so graphs, first order, second order, third order, graphs and all this. Next, second important topic in this chemical kinetics is half-life. So half-life relations. Okay, T half, T50%, T90%, T99% relations, half-life and its relations based on that one question. And the third most important one is in collision theory, activation energy and its applications. Activation energy, calculation of activation energy or relation with activation energy with other. So these are the main topics. Chemical kinetics. After that, P block elements. In P block elements we have 4 lessons. 5A group elements are nitrogen family, 6A group elements are oxygen family, 7A group elements are halogens and noble gases. In these noble gases, maximum we have hybridizations and their structures. What is the shape, all those. And remaining group elements, maximum they are asking in properties, what are the main product or what are the products or what is the order of thermal stability, oxidizing nature or reducing nature, enthalpy, hydration enthalpy, like that they are asking. Just these orders you prepare once. That's now next lesson is D and F block elements. D and F block elements most important in second year topics. So here maximum I observed they are asking 3 to 4 questions per a paper, question paper. So 3 questions minimum compulsory. So in D and F block elements, what are the important topics means, you know the properties of the D block elements or transition elements properties. All the properties you should perfectly learn. After that, F block elements, in the F block elements what electronic configurations of each one, lanthanide elements each 14 elements electronic configuration and actinide elements 14 elements electronic configuration. Compulsory they are asking one question in electronic configurations. If it is not asking the properties of lanthanides and actinides, you can check once. And finally the compounds, 2 compounds we have, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. So preparation and properties of KMnO4, preparation and properties of K2Cr2O7. Just you check it once. Okay, this is about D block elements. D block elements most important, 3 questions are minimum asking. Next lesson is coordination compounds. In coordination compounds also 3 questions they are asking. So in coordination compounds, writing the IUPAC names of the coordination compounds and isomerism most important. Isomerism and IUPAC names for the coordination compounds compulsory. After that some theories are there, Werner's theory, valency bond theory, crystal field splitting, these theories. So based on that, these are the important topics in coordination compounds, compulsory and most important, 3 questions minimum they are asking. And next lesson is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In aldehydes, ketones maximum all the named reactions you prepare. So what are the byproducts, what are the reagents using, so all those named reactions, preparations and properties of aldehydes and ketones, which obeys which only for aldehydes, which reactions are only for ketones. Those also you can verify once. And in carboxylic acids, maximum they are asking. So HVZ reaction 1, application of HVZ reaction or acidic strength, order of the acidic strength, maximum in these two are the most important. Now next lesson is amines. In these amines, preparation and chemical properties are common. After that, so the basic strength of these different types of amines, when methyl group is there and ethyl group is there, so those are maximum, that is the important one in that amines. And biomolecules theoretical, so you can prepare well for biomolecules. Polymers maximum here, types of polymerization process and their examples, all the types of polymerization process and their examples. And then which polymer is used for which purpose, uses of polymers, some polymers are there in our textbook, they are given clearly. From those only maximum they are asking. The table is there, one table is there, polymers and their uses, so you prepare well those polymers and uses, which polymer is used for which purpose, like that. Finally, solutions or surface chemistry. Surface chemistry is a theoretical lesson, so totally you prepare for that one, theory, only theory. So logically you prepare that one. Solutions means maximum here we have 2 or 3 important topics. Henry's law and its application, or Raoult's law and its applications, one main one. After that, colligative properties, second topic, colligative properties. Third one is Van 't Hoff factor. Based on Van 't Hoff factor questions are asking, or colligative properties they are asking, or here Raoult's law or Henry's law. Or one more topic, ideal and non-ideal solutions. Maximum they are asking non-ideal solutions, examples. They will give one example and belongs to positive deviation or negative deviation, like that the questions are asking maximum. So if you prepare like this, then from these 10 lessons or 11 lessons you will get minimum how many questions, means here electrochemistry 2 questions, chemical kinetics 2 questions, 2 plus 2 4, P block elements 2 questions, D and F block elements 3 questions, coordination compounds 3 questions, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids 2 questions, amines 2 questions, biomolecules 2 questions, polymers 1 question, solutions minimum 1 question, surface chemistry minimum 1 question. So overall how many, check it once. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 1 20, plus 1 21 percent. In these 21 percent, minimum you can attempt 15 to 16 questions easily. So 16 4s are 68. You will get 68 or 70 marks easily from the second year chemistry. In another video I discussed how to score minimum 60 plus from first year syllabus chemistry. Just you check it once, that one also. So here from chemistry part, from first year and second year, you can you prepare in this manner, you can easily gain. So 130 to 140. Got it? Okay. Thank you.